Now about no style. Alright, my ear so no one so I bring back from Jamaica. So let's unpack. First we got some roasted yellow heart breadfruit. Let's just get these out of the way because I already know this is what you guys wanted to see. Everybody keep telling me, make sure you bring back some yellow heart breadfruit. Well, yes, I did. Plenty. Okay? This is not even optional. Ackee have to come home with me. Jamaican national fruit. Jamaican Juici Patty. We got 2 bags because I love a Juici Patty. 1 bag scandal. I was about this close of not getting to bring any patty home. We grab the 2 bags of patty them and make sure we get what patty them. This is the goodie bag. Now listen, a trip to Jamaica without bringing back spice bun is never complete. Fresh spice bun. Now this is Jamaican homemade chocolate. Smells so good. Jesus, them smell good. All natural, nothing nice about this. This is the tea where you drink, where your granny used to say, don't take no Guinness up because you're going to burn up your lip. Very hot tea. This honey is going straight into my tea. I couldn't leave this behind. Crazy. Let's see what's coming up next. If you never tried gizzada before, it's basically coconut goodness in every bite. You need to try this. It is so good. It's a nice coconut pastry. Gizzada. See what's next. Peanut drops and coconut cake. These are dangerous. Once you start eating them, you cannot stop. Can't say I never want to know. They're so good. If you know, you know. We also got some grater cake. Childhood favorite. Alright, now, when you don't judge me, but I bring back a whole heap of pimento berries. Whole heap of pimento seed. Look. I don't know how much I cook. I don't know how much I use this, right? And plus this can go in and sauce them. Giving it the authentic flavor. These are smelling so good, man. We got some more something for them. I had to represent my island. I went and got this dress. I thought it was so pretty though. It is so beautiful. Cannot wait to wear it. Look at the color, tie-dye style. This bar mat is so cute. When I see it, I know this would be a cute little touch. Let's open it. But you know me always I make drinks like me a bartender. So why not get a bar mat? You know? So pretty, right? Let's put it here. So my husband went and see them here. Him saying like them and get them. Right? A nice little picture frame to put our family pictures in. We could put a picture from this Jamaican trip that we just did. So pretty. I love fridge magnets. A Jamaican cabbie. One love. You see? So cute. Last but not least, I had to bring back these 2. Jamaican color bracelet and a Rasta color bracelet. Now I'm officially home, but I'm still carrying a little piece of Jamaica with me. One love. Alright, this is everything that I brought back from Jamaica. But no one that expects me to bring the whole island. But no. These are all that I need. I got more stuff here already. But tell me, what are you grabbing first from this haul? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.